I'm going to show 2 ways to back up your WhatsApp messages. So the first way is to open up WhatsApp, go to settings on the bottom right, click on chats, chat backup, and then click on backup now. And it's going to start backing up your chats. If you want to be sure that it's being backed up to an account, go to settings, click on your name, click on iCloud, then click on iCloud backup, then click on your phone. And here it's going to show how many gigabytes has WhatsApp used for its backup and is it actually being backed up. So if you just wait a few moments, it will show WhatsApp here. As you can see, it's here, and then just click backup now to be sure that it's backing up now, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.